Now showing the phone's dual axis, single axis, and gyroscope data page. Click the Relative Mode button to switch between absolute relative measurement modes. Click the Lock Data button. The icon flashes, indicating the reading is locked successfully. Click to enter the gyroscope measurement. Click Data 0. Click Exit to return to the default angle measurement. Buzzer switch, one button on or off as required. Click the unit switch icon to switch among 3 measurement modes: height, gradient, angle. Click the lock key to disable all keys except the power key. Use the beep button to trigger a single beep prompt tone. Click the flash screen button to make the instrument backlight flash once. The above is the operation demonstration of DXL360S, wireless control and real-time monitoring on the mobile terminal.